Hello everyone, my name is Iris France. Today we're going to take a look at the drawbacks of unemployment rate as an index of the health of the economy. So we know that unemployment rate is equal to the number of unemployed divided by the labor force, which is employed plus unemployed. So there are several things that you don't see in the unemployment rate. The first thing is discouraged workers. We know that discouraged workers are those workers who they want to work and they were looking for jobs for a long time, but they couldn't find one. So eventually they end up giving up. So they say, I can't find a job, so what's the point to try? So they stop looking for a job. And we know that in order to be counted as unemployed, you must be actively looking for a job. So discouraged workers, they have left the labor force. So we no longer count them as unemployed. So if we count discouraged workers, then you can see that the unemployment rate will look even worse. The second one is involuntary part-time workers. So we know that it doesn't matter whether you have a part-time job or full-time job, you're counted as employed. But there are people who want to work full-time, but they cannot find a full-time job. And therefore, they are working as a part-time worker, but they are not willing to do so. They would wish they could find a full-time job. And if we count their part-time job, say a 20-hour job, as half a job, or if they're only working for 10 hours per week, we count it as a quarter, then you can see the employment number is going to go down. But we don't count it that way. We count it as you're working. So you can see that, again, our unemployment rate underestimates the seriousness of our job situation. And last but not least, underemployment. So what does that mean? Maybe you graduated from college with a literature degree. You could either become an English teacher or you could become like J.K. Rowling. But because no one is hiring and you had no choice but to work at McDonald's, and you know, McDonald's, you just need to grill hamburgers, you need to clean the bathroom. And that job requires very low skill compared to the skill that you have. And therefore, we call that underemployment. You are not happy with your job, you wish you could be an English teacher, but you just can't find a job like that. So we can see that these are the drawbacks of unemployment rate. But it doesn't mean that you can just throw away this index. This index still helps you to see something. It's just it underestimates the seriousness of our job market situation. So I hope this helps. I'll see you next time.